Unleash your creativity, the Flashforge AD5X 3D printer. Upbeat, energetic music playing in the background show quick shots of the AD5X printing vibrant objects. Host, tired of slow, single-color 3D printing? Prepare to be amazed. The Flashforge AD5X is here and it's revolutionizing the way you create. Close-up shot of the AD5X printing a multicolored object. Host, imagine printing vibrant, multicolored masterpieces in a single run. No more tedious filament swaps. The AD5X's smart multicolor module makes it unbelievably easy. From stunning sculptures to intricate prototypes, the possibilities are endless. Show quick shots highlighting key features: speed, ease of use, auto-calibration. Host, but that's not all. The AD5X is lightning fast with a max speed of 600 millimeters per second. Setup takes just minutes, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Auto-calibration guarantees perfect first layers every time, and its impressive 99% resume print success rate means no more wasted materials. Show diverse users, artists, designers, educators interacting with the AD5X. Host, whether you're an artist bringing your visions to life, an educator inspiring the next generation, or a hobbyist exploring your creative side, the AD5X empowers you. Its wide filament compatibility lets you experiment with countless materials. Show the included 4 kg of PETG filament. Host, and for a limited time, we're including 4 kg of high-speed PETG filament, 2 kg black, and 2 kg transparent smoke gray, absolutely free. That's enough material to get you started on countless projects. Show the AD5 again, emphasizing its sleek design. Host, don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your creative workflow. The Flashforge AD5X is more than a 3D printer. It's your gateway to limitless possibilities. Text on screen, limited time offer. Host, click the link below to order your Flashforge AD5X with free filament now. This offer won't last. And screen with link to purchase and social media handles.